Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Shweta. If you're wondering why am I looking a little bit over the top glamorous, that's because I did this blue smoky eye look. That was inspired by Kim Kardashian and Mario's collaboration. The video is right there in the link so you can go and check it out. But today we are going to be talking about some of my favorite mascaras. Now I have a lot of mascaras. I've tried the Maybelline, I've tried this, I have tried that, but these are the top 5 in my opinion. Opinions differ. This could not be your favorite, but for me, I love it. I absolutely love it. Now, mascara is something that I'm always in the hunt for, you guys, because every time I go makeup shopping, mascara is in one of my top 5 lists for sure, because it has a tendency, even if you do not wear your eyeliner, you don't wear your kajal, mascara has a tendency of just giving you that awake look. The first one that I have to mention is from Urban Decay, alright? Now, I got two of my Urban Decay, and I know this is a top 5 video, but these two mascaras from Urban Decay, since it's under the same brand, I thought I might as well mention it. One is the Perversion Mascara. This is the bigger, blacker, badder from Urban Decay. What I love about this mascara is its thick wand, so it makes sure that it takes all of your lashes. It coats really beautifully. It has the ability of, coating all of your lashes, the small ones, the tiny ones that are so stubborn right on the inner corner, and it really thickens it, and it just gives you a very fluttery long lash, okay? And there's no gloop on it, and it is really pitch black. If you want those black lashes, then this is the baby to reach out for. The second one is an honorable mention because it falls under the same brand. And I know that this is quite a debatable one because so many didn't like it. They love the Perversion, which is great. Perversion is amazing. But I have to mention that I enjoy the Troublemaker from Urban Decay. This is their newest baby. But what I love about it is this wand applicator. Can you see that? It's very similar to the Benefit There Real Mascara. I'm talking about the wand. It's a little more stiffer. It separates your lashes really lovely. Next mascara is the 17 HD Lash Mascara, which what I love about this wand, just like what Wayne Goss noticed, is that it's got that very precise brush application, tiny bristles that coats each and every lashes. Now if you want a mascara that's going to elongate your lashes, it's going to make it much more thicker and black, you really need this because this gives you that false lash effect for half the price, you guys. If you are not a big fan of false lashes just like me, then you want those fluttery long lashes, then you should give this a go. I can compare this to the Benefit There Real Mascara for half the price, and it is just as good. It's a drugstore version, but my only thing is what I'm confused about is I don't think this falls under the cruelty-free category. So if you are into cruelty-free makeup, then this is not the one for you. But nevertheless, this is an amazing mascara for you to go and buy and get and try. The next mascara made it in the news because there was one subscriber of Reddit, the forum. She had shown exactly how to get those really fluttery, long, false lash effect with just a £3 mascara. Okay, this is £3, $3. It's so cheap. It is so reasonably cheap, and it works beautifully. In fact, this works better than the Urban Decay. This works better than even the 17 mascara. This stands in the same level as the Maybelline ones, the false lash, that's a great mascara to have for sure. I highly recommend that too. But this one in particular, I got this from Nykaa in India. This retails for around $400. Please go do yourself a favor and get the mascaras from Essence, the brand. It is brilliant. This Lash Princess mascara, the black bottle with a little bit of a neon green look to it. The wand is really long and thin. It is great to get those lower lash, and it is a beautiful, reasonably priced mascara. It is so cheap, and I would be reaching out for this every now and then. Ever since I got this from India, this is the only mascara I apply every time I go out. It gives me that false lash effect for sure. It's cruelty-free. It's a great brand. Essence makeup in general, it's pretty good, you guys. They are really lovely, and I highly suggest you to try most of their mascaras because they're pretty good. But out of everything, this one is the best, and the hype is real about it. This is a great mascara. The next mascara is also my favorite, you guys. It is absolutely amazing. It's a cult favorite. There are so many who love it, who can't do without it, and despite so many mascaras being launched in the market, they still go for this, and this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Now what can I say about this mascara, because it has reached cult status and the hype is real only because it gives you the most unbelievable lashes. It is so amazing. It's not very friendly for your lower lash because of how thick the wand is. Like the wand, as you can see, it's got like an hourglass shape to it. It's a little bit of a fatty wand, alright? It's not going to be your best friend when you want to get those lower lash, but it coats your lashes so well because of that curve. It's got that hourglass kind of a shape, so it really coats and it separates them beautifully. It makes it look much more thicker. The more that you coat, it's not going to make it look, you know, too clumpy. You know what I mean? It's just going to separate it. It's going to make it look a lot more darker, longer, thicker. Beautiful, beautiful lash. It's slightly expensive because Too Faced as a brand, these are all luxurious brand. Of course, there are drugstore versions to it, like the Maybelline and your HD Falsify, you know, from 17, and also the Essence, which works equally good. But this one, you know, for a luxurious brand, this mascara is really good, you guys. I just love the way my lashes look with this, so I highly recommend this. So that is why this has made it to the list as well. And the last favorite mascara of mine that I had to mention, I have written a whole blog post on this, so if you really want to read much more in detail, then please go check it out. All the ingredients, everything, how this is made, all that is written in that blog post. It is the Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit. This is their newest launch, and what a launch it was. This mascara, when I saw that launch, I was like, oh my god, this mascara better be worth this entire hype and money that they've spent on this PR promotion. And you know what? It is worth it. When it comes to Benefit, their real mascara is everyone's favorite. Everybody had their eyes on this because they wanted to know whether it will supersede the Their Real mascara. I would say that it's almost like a 50-50 thing. There are people who really love this and there are people who really dislike it. I'm one amongst those people who absolutely loved it. I did not spend my money on this because Benefit is not cruelty free. But just let me tell you, for me, this mascara is absolute bomb, okay? It just gives you the kind of lashes, like as if you've taken individual lashes and you've put it right in between. It's not that, you know, those thick long lashes. It makes it long. It coats each and every lash because of the wand. If wand has got very tiny bristles that coats each and every lash, this is amazing even for your lower lash. Whenever you apply mascara and you apply 2 or 3 coats, one thing that I have noticed in all the mascaras excepting for this, it becomes a lot crispy, okay? It's as if you can feel your lashes, okay, getting a little more crisp, little more heavy. When you apply 2-3 coats, you know what I'm talking about. This one doesn't give you that. It feels light. You can go on for hours and hours without your eyes being irritated. I would suggest you to get the smaller version of it, which is around 10 pounds. It's much more cheaper than the large version. You can check it out. You can test it out. It's a travel size. I haven't seen a mascara that does the trick like this one does. It is beautiful. It is so sad that it is not cruelty free. That's the only negative thing about this, because for me this is one of the best mascaras I have ever come across. So guys, that completes my current top 5 favorite mascaras that I have been reaching out for. I have loved. You guys know how much I hate false lashes. I just do it for a glamorous tutorial. Otherwise I wear loads of mascara and I'm good to go. Do let me know what you would like to see next, and until later, I shall see you very soon. Bye.